Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete your AWS account in safe and correct way. So let's go to the system. To close your AWS account permanently, first of all log in with a root email account, right? I have already how to log in, whatever. So before closing your AWS account permanently, please confirm you have deleted all the resources. Like you can click here EC2 and you can check is there any instance running or not. I have already For example, if I click here, so are you observing, right? This is instance running, right? Instance running 0 in this region, United States. So you can change the region here and you will check is there any resource running or not. Please make sure this point first of all, or if you want you can click here easy to global view, right? And you can check each and everything from here also, whatever. Let me go back. So whatever, I have already this point, how to delete all the resource, like your any volumes. Okay, now like if you use any database, please make sure you have deleted all the resource. Okay, if you want you can delete the IMA user also. Okay, so if I click here, right, are you observing one thing like billing and cost management, right? Billing and cost management. So okay, first of all let me visit this part also before deleting. Okay, if I click here like in the bill section, let me click here. So right now it's showing, right, November 1 to November 30 in 2025. Okay, now estimated grand total like USD $0. So you will confirm this point also, right? Okay, sir. Okay, you can check each and everything from here also, whatever. So I hope you will make sure this point also before deleting or closing your AWS account permanently. So simply to close the AWS account, simply click here in the name. So are you observing, first of all, this is our account ID, right? This is our account ID. If you want, first of all, I can copy this one. Simply click here. Okay, account ID, copy it, whatever. So are you observing one option like account? Click here to delete. Okay, it's showing now. This is the dashboard actually. So simply click here close account. To close the account, close here. I repeat once more time, please, before closing or deleting your account, make sure all you have deleted all the resource, right? Simply click here close account. So it is showing like, are you sure want to close account, right? This is the ID. Enter the account ID to confirm closure and that you have read and understand the closure guidance. Okay, simply let me paste this ID also, control V. Okay, now this is the ID actually, same ID, or you can copy and you can paste here also, no problem. Simply click here close account. So we are closing. Okay, your closure account is submitted now. An email will be sent once closed, right? After closing, certainly you will get an email from AWS. Your account will not be closed if it manage an organization with active member accounts. Okay, whatever. So certainly it will show you, it will return you, it will send you one email. Don't worry, right? So I hope up to now you have deleted your AWS account. Right now, if you want, simply you can sign out. Okay. I hope you got this point. If you face any issues, you can ask your doubt. If you want me to make a complete AWS course from zero level to master level, then you can inform us. And please share this platform with your friends, with your colleagues. See you in the next interesting video. Till then, bye bye.